Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
sir.
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 So we have done till 3F, right?
Sir.
So last exercise of factorization, which has one new identity.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So this new identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, minus 3xyz, which can be written as z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z plus x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Please write this identity.
So done.
Sir, done.
Okay. Based on this, we'll solve few questions. How to prove this, that I will tell you later. That is not part of your, I mean, no, none of your school asked that question, but still I will let you know how to derive this. So based on this, we have few types of questions in this exercise. I'll take the first one.
We write the heading of exercise 3G.
Last exercise, 3F, no, 3G.
Oh, so should we give the heading as 3G or just write like that?
With your, whatever is your understanding, you can write it. I mean, this exercise is based on this identity.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's not a new chapter. It's the last topic of the the current chapter which we are doing.
So we'll be doing sums only from the exercise.
Ashish, let's focus on solving the question. So question is 2x minus y plus 3z, next bracket, into 4x square plus y square plus 9z square plus 2xy plus 3yz minus 6xz. So this is a question, we have to factorize it. So do you think that this is in the form of this, something like this happening?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's see.
Yes, sir.
Let's x is equals to 2x, y is equals to minus y, z is equals to 3z. Okay. So we'll write it as 2x plus minus y plus 3z, 2x square plus minus y square plus 3z square minus xy, x, y minus y, z minus z, x, and bracket close. So this is what we have written, which we equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So if you see, is this equals to this? Let's see. Just for confirmation, we are doing 2x minus y plus 3z. This is 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus minus plus 2xy minus minus plus 3yz minus 6xz. Is it equals to this? Yes. So what we have done is correct. So is this in the form of x? This can we write it as in the form of what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So x is what? 2x square, 2x x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x into y, or can we write it as 8x
8x
cube
cube
y cube
minus y cube plus
27.
27 z cube.
Let me do. I'll give you a chance to do. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 18 x y z. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
we have factorized. I mean, from here to here we have done. So it is 8x cube minus y cube plus 27 x z cube plus 18 x y z. Any doubt in this solution? Anyone has?
No, sir.
Anywhere, any doubt in understanding this? No, please write it down this way.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, sorry guys. Next question. Next question is based on same thing. Question is x minus 2y minus z x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 2xy minus 2yz plus zx. So here we can write x as this x, y as minus 2y, z as minus z. Okay, so we can rewrite this. Hello,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I thought that I'm mute. So x plus minus 2y plus minus z. See the steps what I am doing it. That is more important. This is the question. So you have to find x, y, z. So here you see x ka x you write, y may you have to make it negative because it is positive. Always it is positive. So it should be negative minus 2y and minus z. Now next is x square. So what is x square? This is x square plus what is minus 2y the whole square plus what minus z the whole square. So is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus xy x correct minus yz minus zx. Bracket close. Any doubt in this step? X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So is this equal to this? Let's do and see. We can write this as x minus 2y minus z. This is x square. This square is 4y square plus z square minus minus plus 2xy minus 4 minus 2yz and then plus zx. All are equal. Is this equal to this? Question? Any change? No.
Yes, sir.
So this statement what you have written is right. So this is in the form of this. We can write it as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x into y into z, which is equal to x cube minus 8y cube minus z cube minus 6xyz. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please write it. Any doubt anyone has, please raise your hand. No doubt? Very good.
No, sir.
Okay. So I'll give a very quick question on this. You have to do it. And I will just raise your hand. I will randomly ask. This is, if you have understood this question, you can easily do. Anyone who has not written this? Should I done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this question you have to solve. Question is plus y minus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus plus y z plus z. Raise your hand once done. Okay. I'm giving you 1 minute time. Let others do. Everyone who has done, please raise your hand. Yes, Prithvi. Prithvi?
Sir,
Tell me your answer.
I have not finished, sir.
Not finished yet. Okay. Vijay?
Sir, I am doing it.
Doing it. Rajasthan?
Sir, doing it.
Yes, Manish, tell me.
Sir, we can take x
No,
as
and tell me the first. Tell me the answer.
x is x.
Pardon?
X is x.
X?
Is x.
No, you tell me the answer. The final answer.
X cubed
Hmm.
plus y cubed
Hmm.
minus z cubed
Hmm.
minus plus 3xyz.
Yes. Tell me. Now x is x.
Y is y.
Y.
And z is minus z.
Minus z. Okay. So you can write this as x plus y plus minus z, right?
Yes, sir.
And here x square plus
y square
minus z plus minus z the whole square minus xy minus y z minus z x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So is this equals to this? Yes. This is positive. This is yes. This is equals to this. So we can write it as
X plus y minus z.
x plus y minus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. You just check if this is equal to this. Yes, it is equal. Then we can write it as this statement. You can write next as x cube plus y cube plus minus z cube minus 3 into x into y minus z, which is x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz, right? Please everyone write it or check where you have done mistake. And the next question is, everyone has written this and understood this question? Anyone has any doubt? Unmute yourself and tell me. Then solve this one. I think Rashi and Manish has raised his hand. Others solve it.
Sir, done.
Okay. Can I have few new hands for this answer? Yes, Bhanupriya, tell me your answer.
Yes, sir. My answer is 27x cube
minus 125xy cube
Hmm.
plus 64 plus 180xy.
Yes. Tell me how to solve.
Yes, sir. It's x is equal to 3x, y is equal to minus 5y,
Hmm.
and z is equal to 4.
Okay.
So it's 3x plus minus 5y plus 4, then 3x to the whole square plus 5 square plus 4 square. Yes, sir. Then
X minus xy minus
Yes.
yz minus z
x.
and x. 3a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any problem in understanding till this step? Anyone has? So we have to check whether this is equal to this or not. So we'll write it
So
5y plus 4
9x square
9x square
plus
plus
25y
25y
square
plus
plus
16
16
plus
plus
15xy
15xy
minus
minus
20
plus 20.
plus 20y minus 12x. Correct? Is it
Yes.
equal to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone, yes. It's equal to 16 came here. This step, mind you, this step, what we are doing is just verifying whether you have written this correctly or not with the question. Okay. So after this step, you can straight away write this x. What will be 3x cube plus minus
Minus
5y
5y cube
plus
plus 4 cube
4 cube minus 3
3
into
multiplied
3x
by
y.
minus 5y plus 4. Yeah.
So we can write it as 27
X
x
cube
cube minus
125
125 y cube
plus
plus
64
5 for the 20 180.
180.
This is the answer.
Sir, it's plus.
Sorry, plus. Okay. Please write it. Those who have not written. Written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who has not written, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll erase it. Anyone who has not written? No one. Okay. So, as of now, this was given, or we were reframing it into this, and we were converting it into this. Correct? Questions were based on this. I mean, the expression was this, and we were rearranging and putting it in the form of this, and then converting it into this. This is type 1. Second type will be this. This is given. You have to factorize it into this form. So questions. Here is a question. Question is 8x cubed plus y cubed plus 27x cubed minus 18x y z. Okay. So now
Sir, the third term, is it 27z
27x cubed. 27x cubed.
x or z?
Sorry, z cube. In the book it is written that also I have to correct it. Z cube. So now we can write it a cube. This one we have written minus 3 into 2x into y 3z. What we did, we saw this is in the form of something like this, so we made it cube. X cube, y cube, z cube minus 3xyz. Is this equals to this? Yes. Let's see. We'll do it. 8x cube plus y cube 27z cube. This is minus 6 18xyz. So this is equals to this. That means what we have written is correct. So after this, we can straight away write this step as what it will be, x plus y plus z. What is here x? What is y?
2x, y,
What is z?
3z.
3z. So we can write it x plus y plus z. So 2x plus y plus 3z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Correct? Any doubt? This is in the form of what? A cube plus b cube plus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equals to this. I have put it.
Sir,
I've taken xyz. Tell me.
sir, can you explain what is that one and two?
What is that? Prithvi, tell me. I didn't hear
Sir,
you.
the first and second one. I mean,
This is the previous question was this type 1. We were getting this and we converted into this. In this question, we are getting this and converting it into this. This is what I just explained. So this is x cube, y cube, z cube minus 3xyz. Formula is x plus y plus z. So x what we have taken 2x, y, z, 3z. X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So finally what we have to do? We have to write it final answer. This is 4x square plus y square z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6zx. So this is the final answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please write it.
So done.
Anyone who has not understood this one? Anyone who have not understand, please let me know.
sir, only how you got that minus 3 into 2x into y?
Minus 3.
Sir, second step.
This one. So 8x cube, can you write 2x the whole cube?
Yes,
Y
sir.
cube, you can write y cube. 27z cube, you can 3z the whole cube.
Yes, sir.
So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into a into b into c, 3 into x into y into z. Correct?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Is this in the form of this? Now.
Yes, sir.
So That's what I mean. I have just checked on in this step what I am doing. I'm checking whether what I have written is it matching with the question or not. This step is just for verification that you have written everything correctly. And after this, you can write x is equal to 2x, y is equal to y, z is equal to 3z. Replace that value in this identity.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Should I rub it? Anyone who is
sir.
writing? Anyone who is writing?
Done, sir.
Okay. Quickly answer this to me. Solve this one.
Sir, done.
Okay. You do this one. Those who are done. 2 under root 2 a cube plus 8 b cube minus 27 c cube plus 18 under root 2 a b c. For this question, please raise your hand once done. Now, Punya, can you hear me? You have to unmute yourself and then only you speak. Punya.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I did not get the answer.
Pardon?
I did not get the answer.
Didn't get the answer of this one. No, you try it. After that, I'll solve.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I've got the next one answered.
Okay. Prithvi, did you get this answer?
Sir, I'm doing.
This is a cube. Can we write it as a cube plus 2b
So done.
You're all. X is equal to a, y is equal to minus 2b, z is equal to minus 4c. So can you write it as a cube minus a cube, x cube, y cube, z cube minus 3 into a into minus 2b minus 4c. Is this equals to this? Minus, yes. So we can write x plus y plus z. We can write it as a plus minus 2b plus minus 4c a square plus minus 2b square plus minus 4c square minus x into minus 2b minus 2b into minus 4c and then minus 4c into a. Any doubt? Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
A minus 2b minus 4c a square plus 4b square plus 16c square then plus 2ab then minus 8bc minus 4ca. This is the answer. Where you are struggling in this type of question, you tell me this first. Please, you will have to be vocal. You have to tell me where you are struggling. Then only I will understand.
Sir,
Yes.
in the expanding part.
This one.
No, like after that.
This one.
A square. No,
Till
before
here,
that.
which step? I'm putting my finger. This step.
Right. A bit right. Next bracket.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Aristan, I am putting on this formula. I have written what is x, a, what is y, minus 2b, what is z, minus 4c. Is this step
Yes, sir.
clear? What is the formula?
sir.
X plus y plus, you have to replace. What is x, a, what is y, minus 2b, what is z, minus 4c. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is x square? A square. What is y square? Minus 2b square. What is z square? Minus 4c square. What is x minus xy? Minus x and y. What is yz? Minus 2b into minus 4c. What is
Yes,
za?
sir.
Minus 4c into a, minus 43 into a. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No, it's clear. Then say yes.
Yes, sir, it is.
Anybody else who is not understanding any of the step, please raise your hand. Which step you are struggling?
Sir, once more, can you explain?
This is a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. Can you write it as a cube? This as minus 2b whole cube. And this as minus 4c whole cube. Or you can say this is x is equals to a, y is equals to minus 2b, z is equals to minus 4c. Correct? And then you can write it like this: a cube minus 2b cube minus 4c cube minus 4c the whole cube minus 3 into x into y into z. This is this formula. If you will expand this, if you will evaluate this, this is minus 24 ABC. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, minus 24 ABC. So we have derived that x is equal to a, y is equal to minus 2b, z is equal to minus 4c. Now you have to replace in this formula x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This formula you know. You just have to replace this value, y value in this formula. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Punya, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
One last question.
So this question I got.
This question.
Sir, I want to try.
Sir, I'll tell-
Let me. I'll just raise your hand who has done this one, and please write it. Others, please write this solution. Aditya, Rajshri, and Prithvi. 3 of you have done this. Okay. What about others? Okay, so Prithvi will solve this question. First, you tell me the answer, then you solve. Tell me the answer, Prithvi.
Sir, root 2a plus 3c into 2a square plus 4b square plus 9c square minus 2 root 2ab plus 6bc plus 3 root 2ca.
Very good. You got the right answer. So why you are struggling in the previous question? This was little difficult. Okay, that's the correct answer. You solve this question. Should I rub this? Anyone who is still writing? No, then I'll rub. Yes, Prithvi, tell me.
Yes, sir. Root
Hmm.
2 root 2a cube, we can write it as root 2a cube
Root 2a the whole cube.
plus
Correct?
plus 2b whole cube
2b whole cube
plus
plus
minus 3c whole cube.
cube
So then minus 3 into root 2a into 2b into minus 3c.
Hmm.
So now we have to put it in the form
Uh,
x plus
Tell
y. Z.
everyone, is this equals to this? Yes, it is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
this. Just for your check, this additional step is to see what you have written is correct or not. So let's see, write 2 under root 2a cube plus 8b cube minus 27 c cube minus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 18, 18 under root 2 a b c. So this is matching. So it's correct. Now
So then we have to put it in that formula. So it will become root 2a plus 2b minus 3c
then under root 2a square plus 2b square with v.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, this is what I'm writing is correct.
Yes, sir. Minus.
Under root 2a.
Root 2a.
Additional one step, you should write it. What is x? X is
X
under root
is
2a,
2a,
y is 2b,
2b
and z is
minus
minus
3c.
3c. So you have written this. So final
root
answer
2
you have to write under root 2a plus
plus
2b minus
minus
3c
3c into
so
2a square
square plus
plus
4b
4b
square
square plus 9c square
9c square minus 2 under root 2ab
plus
plus
6bc
6bc plus
plus 3.
to AC. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt anywhere? Please write it. Hope you are writing this. This was actually third type of question. This was third type of question where roots question will come. So this is type 1, this is type 2, this is type 3. So on this basis, you can solve till 22 or solve it till 21. Solve it till 21.
So
Okay.
exercise 3G.
3G till 21 main you have to solve question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing, be ready for the test for this chapter. Okay, date I will tell you which day.
Okay, sir.
So prepare well.
Sir,
Polynomials plus factorization.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, I have not dismissed the class, Ashish. Wait. So any doubt in framing this? Anyone has? No. Okay. So 2 types of questions left out. That I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. Till 21 you have to do it. And NCERT, hope you have done everything. There may be some doubts. There may be some doubts. In fact, in the last exercise only, not in the first 3 exercise. Correct? Have you done it or not? NCERT?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Please send it to me. Only 2 or 3 students are sending me homework. Today I want full homework till factorization on my WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's meet tomorrow and we'll end this chapter. Tomorrow we'll end this chapter.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.